I found a guy here. I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. It's just gonna be the headphones and the USB power adapter. Just see how, because I need a new one. So I'm just gonna, I know like you get it with the iPhone, but still I need new ones, and I'm just see, might as well just unbox it. I'll tell you guys the price in the description and everything. Alright, so that's it. Instructions, you don't need that. Let's open it. Damn, fuck. Alright, that was hard. Headphones, this is it. That's all I need, basically it. Cool. Next item, USB power adapter for your wall. Also comes with instruction like all Apple products. This thing, this plug in into your iPhone like this. Yeah, okay, basically it. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, guys. See you guys later.